नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेनन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। आई वेलकम all of you in today practical session of Mias in relation with the scalp symptoms. Now in Sora there is dry eruptions which become brown and turn into the dead scales. They are often painful and burn, and there is severe itching and dryness. So in Sora the peculiarity is eruptions are dry, brown, painful and burning sensation with severe itching is the characteristic of psoric scalp symptoms. Now the modalities part is aggravation in the open air, amelioration from scratching but burning follows. So itching is ameliorated by scratching, by rubbing, but after that patient feels burning. Now in psychosis, vesicular eruptions, warts and the tumor. So there is a one difference between the type of eruption, that is vesicular eruption in psychosis, and in Sora there is dryness, dry eruptions. And the warts and tumors are, as we know about the psychosis miasm, the incoordination, we find incoordination. So warts and tumors will be present in psychosis. Now in the syphilis, eruptions having offensive, oozing, pus like discharge. So pus like discharges, there is thick yellow greenish pus from the eruptions in syphilitic miasm. And in the tubercular there is herpetic eruptions. Fungal infections are usually present in the tubercular miasm. Aggravation by bathing in open air and aversion to having uncovered. So patient prefers to cover his scalp because he feels amelioration by wrapping up, covered up. So in Sora there is dry eruption, in psychosis is vesicular eruptions, in syphilis there is pustular eruptions, and in the tubercular is herpetic eruptions. Now the perspiration part of all these miasms, in which Sora there is during sleep. Perspiration occurs during sleep, which is sour smelling, or the scalp may be dry. There is only the peculiarity, that is perspiration during sleep. Now in psychosis, perspiration is sour, fishy, musty odor. That is the trademark of psychotic miasm. That is the fishy, musty odor from perspiration, from any other discharges from the body. That indicates that stamps the psychotic miasm, fishy, musty odor. Now in syphilis, offensiveness and the putridity, offensiveness is the trademark of syphilitic miasm. So we can easily identify from the discharges all miasms. Perspiration is copious, sour and fetid, and the metallic smell, and the smell part is also, the metallic smell is only present in the syphilitic miasm. And the tubercular miasm is offensive, musty odor. So we concluded here the perspiration part of all these four miasms. I think you have understand properly. That is how we differentiate in our clinic, in hospitals, the miasm in concern with The symptoms related to perspiration, head, vertigo, eyes, ears. So, thank you.